Next question. Sigma R is equals to 1 to n R square into NCR is equal to sigma R is equals to 1 to n. Just a minute. R is equal to, sorry, 0 to n. This is 0 to n NCR. Sigma R is equal to 1 to n R square into NCR is equals to 1 square into NC1 plus 2 square into NC2 plus etc. n square into NCN. So this is a question. You should find the value of this series. So first you take LHS solution. Solution. So you take this LHS, that is sigma R is equals to 0 to n R square into NCR. So now what you do is you write this sigma R is equals to 0 to n. You write R square as R into R. One R contribute to this NCR. Therefore, R into R NCR. Now we know this formula. R into NCR is equal to what? N into n minus 1 CR minus 1. Use this result. So now use this result. So if you use this result, then what you get? This is equal to sigma R is equals to 0 to n R into NCR is what? N into n minus 1 CR minus 1. So now what you do is you write this n outside the sigma. That is equals to, this is equals to n into sigma R is equals to 0 to n. R is equals to 0 to n R into n minus 1 CR minus 1. So again, now here we cannot use this formula because here R is there, here R should be there. But here R is there, here R minus 1 is there. So that's why to use this formula, so these two things should be same. These two quantities, that is, if here R is there, if here R should be there. But here R is there, R minus 1 is there. So to generate this type of term, you write this R as R minus 1 plus 1. Just you add and subtract. So this is equals to 1. That is sigma R is equals to 0 to n. So for this R, you subtract 1 and add 1 into n minus 1 CR minus 1. So this is equal to n times. Now open the bracket, this bracket, that is sigma R is equals to 0 to n. Now what you do is this one. So you open this bracket. So then what you get? This is R minus 1 into n minus 1 CR minus 1 plus sigma R is equal to 0 to n. Just n minus 1 CR minus 1. R minus 1. But here, see, R is equal to 0 is not allowed here. If R is equal to 0, here you will get minus 1. Minus 1 is not allowed. That's why here what you do is you write here R is equals to, here R start from 1. Because for R is equal to 0, it is not defined. N minus 1 CR minus 1. R is equal to 1 to n here. Now what you do is, now you can use this result here. See, this result R into NCR is equal to n into n minus 1 CR minus 1. We can use because now R minus 1, R minus 1. These are same. That's why this is equals to n into sigma R is equals to 0 to n. This is equals to n minus 1 into here n minus 1 minus 1 CR minus 1 minus 1 plus. So this is straightforward. So this one is what? R is equal to 1 by n minus 1 C0, n minus 1 C1 plus n minus 1 etc. n minus 1 Cn minus 1. This is 2 power n minus 1. Straightforward result. Therefore, this is 2 power n minus 1. This is 2 power n minus 1. So this is equals to n into. So here from this one, n minus 1 take out outside the sigma. That is, this is n minus 1 into sigma r is equals to 0 to n minus 2c r minus 2 plus 2 power n minus 2 power n minus. Now here if you observe this also, so just in previous one r is equals to, so here also r is equal to 0 is not allowed. This is also not defined from here. Here r is equal to 1. For r is equal to 1 it is defined. In next step here for r is equal to 1 also it is not defined because r minus 2 is there. Here r minus 2 is there. Therefore here r starts from what? 2. Here also r starts from 2. R is equal to 2 to n and minus 2 cr minus 2. So now this is also of the form, this one. If you substitute r is equal to 2, n minus 2 c0, n minus 2 c1, n minus 2 c2, etc. That is 2 power n minus 2. This is. So this is equals to n into n minus 1 into this is 2 power n minus 2 plus this is 2 power n minus 1. So now what you do is, so from these two terms, 2 power n minus 2 take out common. Therefore n into, if you take out 2 power n minus 2 common, here you left with n minus 1 plus here you left with 2 power n minus 2 by 2. Because if you take out this 2 power n minus 2 inside, 2 power n minus 2 into 2 is 2 power n minus 1. So this is equal to n into 2 power n minus 2, n minus 1 plus 2. This is equals to what? N plus 1. So therefore final answer is n into n plus 1 into 2 power n minus 2. So this is the final answer.